Hi, my name is Michael. I'm one of the plant doctors at Moana Nursery. I'm here at the Ronald McDonald House in Reno to talk about planting some perennials and some shrubs in the shade garden here. We have taken out all the roses and cleaned up the bed. We have selected certain plants that do very well in a partial sun location. Today I'm going to show you the process of planting perennials. What we're going to do first is start digging the hole for this. The hole should be twice as wide and no deeper. So I'm just going to dig a little bit here so I know where to plant. Once your hole is set, make sure it's at the right depth for where you need to plant it. Never plant deep, only plant wide. Take your plant gently out of the container. It's a good idea to scarify the roots to promote new growth. Place it in the hole, make sure it's not too deep. We're going to take some soil amendment and blend it 50-50 with our native soil. So take a handful of this, scatter it in the hole, and mix some of our native soil in. Once you have it about halfway dug in, we're going to add some starter fertilizer too. Starter fertilizer, you just need 1/4 cup per gallon. So just a small pinch is all you need for a plant this size. Dress around the outside of the plant and stir it in. Continue to backfill with the remaining soil conditioner and native soil. Lastly, you want to top dress around the plant with a good amount of soil conditioner. Top dressing as a mulch will help conserve moisture, will help protect against environmental stress, and helps you conserve water when planting in the high desert. To prevent transplant shock and ensure proper planting, add Super Thrive to water. 1/4 teaspoon in a gallon of water. Prevents any shock and helps plants transition into being planted in the ground. Now that's a happy plant. Now we're going to add some more perennials, shrubs, and Moana Grown plant material to help fill in all the space in our shade garden. So we have transformed this rose garden into a beautiful shade-tolerant garden. I would like to thank the Ronald McDonald House of Northern Nevada and the Master Gardeners of Washoe County for working together with us to make this happen.